Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Kijun MA indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Kaijun MA indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 45 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 508 indicators, with 210 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Kijun MA indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so this is basically parts of the Ichimoku cloud, or Ichimoku trading system, I should say, combined with a exponential moving average. And so what you have is the Kijun line in yellow here, kind of trailing with price action a little bit there. And then you have the Ichimoku cloud here in the background, which is the green and red kind of cloud or background kind of there. We'll go ahead and actually bump up the opacity on that just a little bit. So we'll go 30 and 30. Wait, it's a little bit easier to see. And then we have the EMA here is the big solid green line. I did bump up the size of that line a little bit just to make it stand out a little bit more. And so currently the way we are going to test this is we are going to use the EMA, the big green line, to determine whether or not we are going long or going short. And so pretty common way to do this is we are going to look for price action to be either above for longs or below for shorts. And then what we're going to do is we are going to look for the Ichimoku cloud here to switch from one color to another. So for example, if we are below the EMA, then we are looking for only shorts, and we are looking for the cloud to either be red when we break down below the EMA. That would be a short there, a short signal. Or we are looking for the Ichimoku cloud to switch from green to red while price action is below the EMA, and that will also be a short signal there. And then the opposite for long trades. And so that's the setup. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Okay, so we get a break of price action above the EMA, and so now we are looking for the Ichimoku cloud, and keep in mind that the Ichimoku cloud is a leading indicator, and so it's way out here ahead of price action. So we're looking for that to go into the green color and display the green cloud. It looks like it's just now switching into the green, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and play it forward just one more. There we go. And so you can see now that the Ichimoku cloud is in the green. And so that would be a long right there. Let's go ahead and play it forward and see what happens. All right, so we get a little bit of a pullback, then we get a push to the upside, just enough to get us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. Okay, so now we're breaking down below the EMA, so now we're looking for the Ichimoku cloud to go red. And unfortunately, we get an immediate pullback to the upside there, which does stop us out on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. All right, so we'll count these out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, and 3 winners. So that will meet the 60% criteria. Yeah, this indicator isn't too bad. I mean, the Ichimoku system has quite a few different ways to trade it, and adding an EMA seems to work out pretty well with this particular indicator. I wish it had more trades within 1 year's time, and I'm sure there's probably a couple other ways we could try to trade this particular indicator. But for now, we will put it on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.